As the sun glints off the sleek surface of the private jet, two titanic personalities make their entrance. Elon Musk, ever the picture of cool composure, adjusts his SpaceX cap, his mind already racing ahead. Meanwhile, Donald Trump, in a suit that could very well be spun from gold, gives a confident thumbs up to the camera crew. With a grin of anticipation, Musk declares, "Europe better get ready because its landmarks won't know what hit 'em." Trump, never one to be outdone, interjects, "This is going to be the greatest trip of all time. Nobody travels like me and Elon. Nobody." Their mission? Not just sightseeing, but tackling an absurd set of challenges while exploring Europe's most iconic destinations. Buckle up, because this is going to be a ride unlike any other. First stop, Monaco, the ultimate playground for luxury. Musk arrives equipped with the latest Tesla Roadster prototype, a sleek electric beast that looks almost alien amidst the traditional streets. Trump pulls up in a classic Rolls-Royce Phantom, complete with a chauffeur. He steps out and adjusts his tie. The challenge? Race through the streets of Monaco. Musk relies on his revolutionary autopilot technology, proudly explaining how his car sees obstacles before the driver even does. Trump, meanwhile, seems less interested in winning and more enthralled with the yachts lining the harbor. Predictably, the race devolves into chaos. Musk's Tesla narrowly avoids pedestrians while Trump delays the finish because he insists on taking photos of the nicest cars parked on the streets. It ends in laughter, Musk declaring victory thanks to pure technological superiority, while Trump booms, "Technology's fine, but class is eternal. You saw that Rolls, didn't you?" Musk marvels at the engineering of the centuries-old structure, walking around with a flashlight, examining the stone walls. Trump wastes no time dubbing himself King of the Castle, insisting on wearing a replica crown. He calls out to Musk, "Bow before your king, Elon." The night kicks off with ghost stories by candlelight, inspired by rumors of hauntings in the castle. Trump naturally goes over the top with his tales, describing ghosts as huge, just huge, and bragging that they probably voted for me up there in Ghostland. Musk spends half the time debunking the myth by explaining electromagnetic waves, before sneaking off to prank Trump by rigging a suit of armor to move on its own. A surprise fireworks show Musk had arranged, lighting up the night sky in a dazzling spectacle visible from miles away. Trump watches in awe and proclaims, "I should put fireworks in all my hotels. Genius, just genius." Next stop, Paris, the city of high fashion. The duo visits a luxury fashion house, each tasked with designing their own outfit to reflect their unique personalities. Musk predictably goes all-out futuristic, unveiling an ensemble featuring metallic panels and glowing LED accents. He calls it Mars Couture. Trump opts for something more. Trump, a gold-themed suit adorned with shimmering lapels and a striking red tie. This is what winning looks like," Trump declares confidently. The two strut their creations down a runway, while local fashion experts critique every detail. Musk winks at the camera as his suit's LED lights react to his movements. Trump strikes exaggerated poses, loudly declaring, "Style that makes history." The judges are torn, giving the win to Musk for originality, but Trump insists the real winner is the art of gold itself. In Rome, the duo moves to an unlikely challenge, a friendly debate inside the Colosseum. The iconic Colosseum, with its ancient arches and vibrant history, sets the stage for their next challenge. Inside, Musk and Trump take their places at podiums, ready to engage in a debate as lively as the city itself. Musk delves into intellectual arguments, championing innovation and sharing his vision for a future on Mars. Trump counters with his signature charm and bravado, capturing the audience with his confident declarations. The debate lightens with topics as unexpected as pizza toppings, engaging the audience in this lively Roman duel. In the end, they shake hands to roaring applause, their friendly rivalry enriching the historic arena. With Rome behind them, their adventure continues. Where will their journey lead next? Tourists gather in the ancient arena as Musk and Trump take their places at podiums. The topics? Innovation, leadership, and naturally, pizza toppings. Musk leans into intellectual arguments, drawing from historic references and his vision for a future on Mars. Trump counters with charm and bravado, capturing the audience with his confident declarations. The debate lightens with topics as unexpected as pizza toppings, engaging the audience in this lively Roman duel. In the end, they shake hands to roaring applause, their friendly rivalry enriching the historic arena. With Rome behind them, their adventure continues. Where will their journey lead next? The adventure culminates in Amsterdam, where Musk and Trump shift gears to highlight unity and giving back. Musk unveils his gift to the local community, solar panels designed to improve energy efficiency for residents. Trump, meanwhile, cuts the ribbon on a new art exhibit funded entirely by donations he coordinated. "I don't just make things better," Trump declares. "I make things great." Musk chuckles beside him, gesturing toward the sun-powered panels. Innovation and philanthropy, it's all interconnected, and it starts with small steps like this. As locals cheer for their efforts, Musk and Trump share candid moments with residents, reflecting on the impact of community and shared responsibility. The video wraps up with a vibrant montage of their escapades. Musk and Trump racing through Monaco, fireworks bursting above the German castle, their bold runway moments in Paris, and smiles in Amsterdam. As the music swells, the two appear side by side, thanking viewers for following their journey. "We're just getting started," Musk teases. "Next stop, Asia," Trump declares. Fade to black, with their silhouettes against a backdrop of European highlights. A promise of more outrageous adventures yet to come.